you guys, how are you today? Welcome to another edition of Pop Out of the Box 1 with me, Uncle Dan. And I'm gonna be unboxing a Funko Pop. And this Funko Pop is from a magical stuff. And this one is particular because it's not the first time that I'm unboxing him. I'm doing it again because it's my first pop ever that I open on Pop Out of the Box 1, and I'm doing it again. Why? To see did I get better or not. And I posted it not long ago, so you could see how I was at the beginning. I wasn't that great. But now I'm great, right? Anyway, and this pop is about the world of Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Everybody loves Harry Potter, right? And this is Harry Potter that I'm gonna be unboxing for you guys. Harry Potter with a magical I don't know how you could call that, magical card that tells you where everybody is in the school. Just have to say I'm gonna do some bad stuff, and you put your one on it, and boop, it shows everybody everywhere and everything. It's pretty cool. And then when you're over, you say mischief done or something like that, and it goes away, and it's like just normal map, just a normal map. Anyway, so I'm gonna be unboxing Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Everybody loves it, and I'm gonna be opening him right now for you guys. Right now. There are things that I didn't change a lot in my videos with the time, but now I try some things, right? Anyway, right now. I did not show you the back of the box. Oh my god, look at that. It's pretty cool, right? There's all sort of people that are in the movie itself, and they're pretty cool. You know, there's Hermione, of course, Ron, and Remus Lupin. That's a teacher that transformed into a werewolf. And there's Peter Pettigrew. Pettigrew. He's was hiding as a rat. Oh, I'm not supposed to spoil. I'm gonna stop. I don't want to spoil. If somebody did not see that movie, go see it. It's really good. Here he is on the side and everything. So I'm gonna open it for real now. And here he is out of the plastic, with his wand and everything. His scar, lightning scar. It's pretty cool, right? You're gonna see him in more details at the end of the video, like always. Hope you're enjoying this, and if there are things that you think I should do more or less, or well, don't hesitate to put your comments, and like and subscribe and all that stuff, right? So see you soon, guys. Thank you.